Welcome back to Vermont Outdoors with the Crowfoots. We're in New Haven, Vermont on the Poultney River, and we're gonna do some fishing, getting our lines all set up. Drove up here from Arlington, and we found a spot here we're gonna try. So should be cool. Water is up quite a bit, kind of flooded. We're gonna see how it goes.
I think. Yeah.
Oh, Paul's got something. Paul's got something. Here we go. Poultney River. Oh, he's got something. What is it?
White perch.
White perch. Woo, yeah, baby.
Fucking sweet, dude. Right off the rip. Right off the rip.
Oh yeah, we haven't been fishing 5 minutes and I already caught one.
I'm gonna go grab those worms, Paul. Yeah, would you? Yeah.
Cool.
Got the skunk out, aren't you? No, yeah. I knew it.
Paul just got another perch. Here it is. Flop him over in the water. Show him to the camera, Paul. That's a nice perch.
Pretty good size one.
Yeah.
Yank that fucker.
Yeah.
I got him.
Yeah, buddy.
Ooh, it might be a good one. Oh, that ain't a white fuck. You wanna grab that net, Paul?
Yeah. Grab the net.
Holy fuck. What is it? Oh, baby! Catfish. Catfish.
No shit.
Holy fuck.
Oh,
Look
yeah.
at wow. Dude, that is fucking sick.
Hell yeah.
That is sick.
Nice one.
Oh, that's cool.
Holy fuck. I knew I had something good on there. I really knew I had something good on there.
Awesome.
A little bit more than a perch.
Holy fuck, dude.
That is cool.
I've never caught a catfish in my life.
Really?
Yeah, is there anything, wow. Kobe, you want me to take your picture?
Hooked him just right in the side of the face.
Yep.
Isn't that weird?
Yeah, he is.
Yeah.
Fighting?
I don't know.
Nice job.
Yeah,
cool,
dude,
man.
that's pretty cool.
All kinds of different shit in here, dude.
Oh yeah.
That's pretty sick.
Well, better do what you're gonna do with him. Oh, Kobe cool. Just caught that nice catfish. What would you guys say? Roughly about 18, 19 inches?
Yep.
Pretty cool. They ain't called first catfish ever?
Yep.
Cool.
Ain't a white perch. I don't know what the fuck it is.
I don't know what it is.
You got a net?
Here.
It's a catfish.
Is it?
Yep.
Yeah, little one.
Just pull it right up here. I think you can probably just.
I don't know if I can.
I don't know if I can get down there though.
Right.
Oh, there you go.
There you go. There, not bad. A little bit smaller than the other one. Bring it right over here. We'll fucking unhook it.
Camera on?
Yeah. Another catfish.
Yeah, buddy.
Poultney River, June 1st, 2025.
Yep.
It's a big one. It's got to be a big one. I'll go get the net.
Oh yeah.
Dude, it was about yanking it in the fucking water.
It almost went in the water.
Yeah.
Fishing.
Holy fuck, dude. Pretty good one.
It's pretty good size.
His pull was fucking...
I thought it was gonna go in the drink.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Get it up here, I'll fucking net it. Oh yeah, catfish.
Big
I think it's a
catfish.
catfish. Hooker's fighting, ain't he? If you can, try to get him right here.
Right here. Right there, Mike.
Oh, he's trying to take. Holy fuck. What,
Big one.
I gotta get over there.
Right here.
Oh my god, dude. Oh my God, it's a huge one. Yeah, got him. Yeah! Yeah, baby. Bring him right over here. That is sick.
Take a picture, Colby.
I'm gonna.
Paul's biggest catfish yet today. Good size. How much do you think he weighs?
Oh my God, dude, that is
Pretty cool.
awesome. That is sick.
Here.
Holy
phone
fuck.
is up in the
Yeah, you
truck.
want one? Want me to go get it?
Yeah, would you?
How do I get to your,
Just,
dude, sick picture.
That's worth framing, Paul.
yeah? That's cool.
That's wicked cool.
All right, go bite their hook.
Catch and release.
I wonder how much that weighed.
Oh, we should have weighed it.
Yeah, I gotta.
The record button's on top.
Yeah, I got
Oh,
it.
it's a little catfish, I think.
Don't even worry about the net. Just sneak it right up on the bank.
Yeah, it is a little catfish.
You gotta tighten your drag up just a little bit. Yeah, it's a little guy. Still cool.
Yeah, buddy.
Hell yeah.
I grew up to 4 or 5 catfish now. Just sat there with it.
Sat there
Paul's
with
got
it.
another fish.
Little cat.
Another little catfish.
Probably the same one you just got.
Yep. Cool.
Cool. Yeah, look at him. Fucking hooks
Yeah.
right in it.
Yep. Alrighty. We're gonna go downstream and try it down there, and we got some venison sausages and have a little snack, so we'll check back. Well, it's the next day. We're back home now. We went and looked for another fishing spot.